Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to Roll for Tea, a series inspired by Roll for Sandwich. Here on this series, we create potions. We let the dice decide, and then we try it at the end. Our dice for the day. Okay, let's see what our potion word is. All right, we have 12 tonic black currant tea. And here's our black currant tea. Okay, time to figure out the type. Here's our D10. All right, 7 Fear Chicory. And there's our chicory layered over the top. All right, time for side effects. Okay, we have a 17 polka dots on your skin, mullein, and 15 coughing, lemon verbena. And you can see those two. We got this and here. Okay, time for additions. Here's our D8. And we have a 2. We got sweet and low, which is right here. And we pour into our new Picks Me Up cup. Oh, look at that color already. And now we wait for it to steep. Okay, it's all steeped. Look at that color. All right, we're adding our sweet and low. And stir. I love this spoon. It's so pretty. All right, time to try. It's still really warm. Wow. That's a good cup of tea, just from that one sip. That black currant tea I haven't used a lot, so it's actually a really interesting flavor. And the chicory blends really well with it, kind of giving it a little earthiness. I'm gonna be real, I don't really get the citrus of the lemon verbena, so I could up that ratio. The mullein, I think, is in the back, making a really nice full body tea. It's definitely a picks-me-up. Well, you have a tonic of fear that the side effects are you could get polka dots on your skin or excessive coughing. And, well, that's your roll for tea. Oh, I forgot my rating. I would rate this about a 9 out of 10. Thanks.